Oh my god!
I hope that never happens to us. Well, now that we're up, what are we doing today? We should go spray some subs.
I'm so down.
Let's get it, dude.
Let's go! Dude, look at that black dude I drew to be inclusive.
D-Rock.
D-Rock!
What was that? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Let's keep spraying them subs.
Let's spray them! Did you see that out there?
Rapscallion!
I'm scared. I think we surfed enough subs.
Hey, sisters.
I think it's time to go home and go to bed.
Let's get it, dude.
Well, I'm hella scared. Let's go. It's time to go.
What is that?
What? You go get it.
I get dirty thoughts about you. Zoinks!
Where'd he go? T-Buns, I'm gonna miss you. I have a confession to make. I did use your toothbrush.
And his name is John C.